How to change trading mode in Pocket Broker app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're on Pocket Broker and wondering how to switch between the classic and the AI mode, you are in the right place. First of all, launch open the Pocket Broker application or website and log into your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner from the home page. In the expanded menu that appears on the screen, click on Settings. Under the Settings menu, you will see this Trading Mode tab. This will show two available options, that is Classic Mode and AI Mode. Select the mode you want to switch to. The Classic Mode provides you with the standard trading experience, while the AI mode offers AI-assisted features designed to help analyze market movements and trading opportunities. That's how you can easily change between the trading modes in Pocket Broker. Just go ahead and select one of the modes you want and you are done. Feel free to switch between Classic Mode and AI mode whenever you want to explore different trading experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.